During this OSSmosis administrative portal training, we are going to walk you through the administrative features and functionality found in the Call Recording tab. The Call Recording tab will provide ease of management over your recorded users, groups, and supervisors. These administrative features can also be applied to supervisors with call recording access. Before we begin, let's take a look at this matrix to gain a better understanding of how all of these call recording features work together. Each user is assigned to a single recording profile. A profile is defined by the frequency in which the user is recorded, always with pause resume, on demand, or on demand user initiated start, as well as the additional recording options. Once a recording profile has been assigned to a user, that user can be assigned to various recording groups. The naming convention for recording groups is unique to every customer. You can create groups around locations, departments, or even call center queues. Once a group has been created and recording users have been assigned a recording profile, those users can be assigned to one or all of the recording groups. Supervisors and administrators are also assigned to recording groups. The recording groups a supervisor is assigned will dictate which call recordings they will have access to, meaning supervisors will have access to the recordings based on the recorded users also assigned to those groups. Administrators can be set up to monitor all recording groups, whereas supervisors can be set up to only monitor a few. As we begin to dive into the functionality of each tab, you may come across the following message within your own call recording setup. This means that your call recording package does not support that option, and if you would like more information, please reach out to your client technology advisor. Once you have logged into OSSmosis and select the Call Recording tab, you will see the following tabs within your call recording view. The Configuration tab will show your current call recording package and retention policy that has been applied to your enterprise. This would have been set up by your project manager during implementation and cannot be changed within the portal. File transfer options provide the ability to configure where call recording files are delivered for customers with that service activated. Through recording profiles, you will be able to assign the necessary recording frequency and features to your recorded users, whether they need the ability to stop and start a recording or pause the recording. The pause recording feature is helpful for callers who request not to be recorded or when a credit card number is being communicated. Through recording profiles, you can ensure your users have the appropriate setup to capture the information you and your customers need. Creating a recording profile is easy, and as you apply a frequency to a profile, you will see the additional features present themselves based on the option chosen. With the advanced search option, you can filter and add recorded users to the recording profile based on call centers, location, departments, or supervisors. Keep in mind that recorded users cannot be assigned to a group or supervisor until a call recording profile has been applied to them. Managed Groups provides the ability to create and manage individual recording groups. The creation and naming of recording groups is completely up to you as the admin. For instance, you can base your groups around departments, locations, or individual call center queues. It is here that you will assign individual users and supervisors to the appropriate recording groups. Supervisors will have access to call recordings based on the users that have been assigned to the different groups they are monitoring. Here you can see the number of users and supervisors assigned to each group, add or remove a user or supervisor, and delete the recording group entirely. Manage Supervisors provides insight into the number of recording groups a supervisor is currently monitoring and allows admins to remove or add a new recording group to the supervisor. In the Manage Users tab, you will have access to all recorded users in your enterprise. Within this view, you will see the number of groups assigned to each user and if a current recorded user does not have a recording profile applied. By selecting Edit User, you will see the recorded user's profile. Here you can change the current recording profile to another profile or manage the groups they have been assigned by adding or removing a group from the user. For a more detailed overview of the setup and management of the different call recording tabs, please review our quick tip videos on our knowledge base.